So I'm currently on my way to go meet Andy at Irvine Spectrum because he's off at work at 1. It's his first day working at Urban Outfitters, so let's see how he ended up liking it. I made it! So now I have to go find parking, which is probably gonna suck because it's Sunday and it's probably super busy here, but whatever.
Honestly, I don't know why there's so much traffic to Laguna.
There's literally so much traffic right now.
Was there traffic when you drove here?
Like getting on the 91, yeah, but other than that, there wasn't any traffic.
Oh my
We're
God.
literally going like 3 miles per hour. This is ridiculous. But then the other side is going like hella fast.
I don't understand. I just want a freaking latte.
An organic
Green tea latte. And that's fucking go.
It's so hard, like,
I mean,
not
like,
to cuss.
I mean, like, I'm in tea bar.
This is so cute. It's literally like perfect weather. That does smell really good. We're gonna go to Earth right now. Where are we going, Ho?
Earth. Want a latte.
A latte. Look how pretty it is.
Want a latte.
The wait is literally like at least an hour long, and Andy's gonna kill himself.
Stupid bitch.
We literally just want a green tea latte.
Should we just get Starbucks?
I don't know. We're eating at BJ's and we literally brought Starbucks inside. My chai tea latte. So we got our food. Look at this fat ass already going in. We got some sticks. I don't know how we do it. I'm still a child, honestly. For getting this, I'm literally a child, but it's so great. Damn. I'm so happy I got that, yeah.
Not bad.
Not bad? Are you good?
I'm fucking pissed. Laguna Beach.
It's literally starting to get so cold. Andy, are you cold?
No, I have my hat. I'm fine.
You're fine?
I'm all good.
You're
I'm
wearing a
all
hat,
good.
so you're fine. You're
I'm all
fine.
good. I got my duck marks.